Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about a common problem that can affect many different types of vehicles. The dreaded P0303 fault code. This code indicates that a misfire has been detected in cylinder number 3. In this video we'll be diving deep into what causes this code, how to diagnose it, and most importantly how to fix it. We'll cover everything from simple spark plug issues to more complex problems with the fuel injectors or ignition system. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, this video will give you the knowledge and tools you need to tackle the P0303 code head-on. So grab your tools, pop the hood, and let's get started. Fault code P0303 indicates a misfire in cylinder 3 of your engine. This means that the combustion process in that cylinder is not happening properly, which can lead to a number of problems including reduced engine power, increased fuel consumption, and even damage to the catalytic converter. There are a number of possible causes of code P0303, including spark plug issues. The spark plugs in cylinder may 3 be worn out, fouled, or improperly gapped. Ignition coil problems. The ignition coil for cylinder may 3 be faulty. Spark plug wires. The spark plug wires for cylinder may 3 be damaged or corroded. Fuel injector issues. The fuel injector for cylinder may 3 be clogged or faulty. Low fuel pressure. The fuel pressure may be too low, which can prevent the engine from getting enough fuel. Fuel quality issues. The fuel you are using may be of poor quality, which can lead to misfires. Valve problems. The valves in cylinder may 3 be sticking or leaking. Piston ring problems. The piston rings in cylinder may 3 be worn or broken. Head gasket problems. The head gasket may be leaking, which can allow coolant to enter the cylinder and cause misfires. Vacuum leaks. A vacuum leak can cause the engine to run lean, which can lead to misfires. Exhaust leaks. An exhaust leak can cause the engine to run rich, which can also lead to misfires. Sensor problems. A faulty sensor, such as the oxygen sensor or the mass airflow sensor, can cause the engine to run poorly and lead to misfires. The first step in diagnosing the cause of code P0303 is to check the spark plugs and ignition system. If the spark plugs are worn or foul, they should be replaced. If the ignition coil or spark plug wires are damaged, they should also be replaced. If the spark plugs and ignition system are in good condition, the next step is to check the fuel system. The fuel pressure should be checked to ensure that it is within the manufacturer's specifications. The fuel injectors should also be checked for clogging or other problems. If the fuel system is in good condition, the next step is to check for mechanical problems. This may involve checking the compression in the cylinders, inspecting the valves and piston rings, and checking for head gasket leaks. If all of the above checks are normal, then the problem may be caused by a vacuum leak, an exhaust leak, or a sensor problem. These problems can be more difficult to diagnose, so it is best to consult a qualified mechanic if you suspect that one of these problems may be the cause of the misfire. A clogged fuel injector can prevent enough fuel from reaching cylinder 3, causing a misfire. This can be caused by dirt, debris, or varnish buildup in the injector. You can try cleaning the injector with a fuel injector cleaner, but if that doesn't work, you may need to replace the injector. A weak or failing fuel pump may not be able to deliver enough fuel pressure to all of the cylinders, including cylinder 3. This can also cause a misfire. You can check the fuel pressure with a fuel pressure gauge to see if it is within specifications. If not, you may need to replace the fuel pump. The fuel pressure regulator controls the fuel pressure in the fuel system. If it is faulty, it may not be able to maintain the correct fuel pressure, which can lead to a misfire in cylinder 3. You can check the fuel pressure regulator by following the instructions in your vehicle's service manual. If it is faulty, you will need to replace it. Worn spark plugs can cause a misfire because they are not able to ignite the fuel-air mixture properly. You should check the spark plugs in cylinder 3 and replace them if they are worn or fouled. The ignition coil provides the spark to ignite the fuel-air mixture in the cylinder. If the ignition coil is faulty, it may not be able to produce a strong enough spark, which can cause a misfire. You can check the ignition coil by following the instructions in your vehicle's service manual. If it is faulty, you will need to replace it. A leaking intake valve can allow air to leak into the cylinder, which can cause a misfire. You can check for a leaking intake valve by performing a cylinder leak down test. If you find a leaking intake valve, you will need to have it repaired or replaced. Worn piston rings can allow oil to leak into the cylinder, which can cause a misfire. You can check for worn piston rings by performing a compression test. If you find worn piston rings, you will need to have the engine rebuilt. The most common symptoms of code P0303 are: check engine light illuminated, rough idle, loss of power, misfire, increased fuel consumption. To diagnose code P0303, you will need to use a scan tool to retrieve the trouble codes from the vehicle's computer. Once you have the trouble codes, you can use a repair manual to help you diagnose the problem. The repair for code P0303 will vary depending on the underlying cause of the problem. However, some common repairs include replacing the spark plugs, replacing the ignition coil, cleaning the fuel injectors, replacing the fuel pump, replacing the fuel pressure regulator, repairing or replacing a leaking intake valve, rebuilding the engine. Code P0303 is a serious problem that can cause damage to your engine. If you are experiencing this code, it is important to have it diagnosed and repaired as soon as possible.